Hello to all my followers all over the world. Dobranoc, dobrohoranku, assalamualaikum, kesahe, sukamtane, sanggaye, and magandang araw sa lahat. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and here I'm gonna make AutoCAD easy and a handy tool for you. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your own AutoCAD Classic workspace. AutoCAD Workspace is accessible by clicking this little pull box on the upper left portion of your ribbon, as you can see here on the screen. If this is not visible, try to click this small pull down arrow and check the workspace. Many AutoCAD users still prefers the AutoCAD Classic because they got used to it, and they use keyboard shortcuts and don't need so many toolbars such as this to work with AutoCAD. Also, AutoCAD Classic has a bigger drawing area which allows bigger room to view your drawings. Here, I will show you the easy ways on how to create your own AutoCAD Classic. Step number 1. Type CUI. CUI, enter. CUI stands for Customize User Interface, and on the Customize folder, under Workspace, right-click, then Create New Workspace. Let's name it My AutoCAD Classic. The reason why I do this is because I don't want to accidentally alter the other workspace and destroy it in any way, so it is safe to create a new one and make changes on it. Apply. Okay. As you can see, AutoCAD Classic, the one that we just created, will appear here on this AutoCAD Classic pull box. So make it current. Then step 2, type RI. As you do that, all the commands that starts with RI will appear. Choose the ribbon close. You will notice that the ribbon will disappear. Now, we have to get rid of these file tabs because this is not part of the AutoCAD Classic. And to do that, step number 3, type OP for options. OP, enter. Then there will be a dialog box that will appear. This is called a dialog box. Under the display folder, make sure that you are on the display folder. Uncheck the display file tabs. Uncheck, then apply. Okay. You will see that the display or the file tabs disappeared. Step number 4. This time, we need all the pull-down menus. And to do that, type menu bar. Menu bar. Enter new value for menu bar. This time it is set on 0. Try to set it on a value of 1. Type 1, enter. As you can see, 3 pull-down menus will appear. But we need all the pull-down menus to make an AutoCAD Classic, especially the Tools menu. But how can we do that? Here's the tricky part. Close the program, close the AutoCAD, save changes to drawing, no, and open it again. Here's the trick. See, when you reopen the AutoCAD, all the tools will now appear. We need all these to make the AutoCAD Classics, especially these tools, because this is where we're going to populate our toolbar ribbon. To do that, go to Tools, pull down menu, Toolbars, AutoCAD, and these are the list of your toolbars. Go to Standard, then this time there is an empty space on your toolbar ribbon. Right click on it, AutoCAD, then you will go on the same list as what we did here before on the tools. So right click, AutoCAD. This time, let's check the properties. Right click, then layer. Another one, AutoCAD. Let's go for style. If some of the toolbars is not appearing here, you can see this little pull down arrow. There are still more on this area. Styles, draw. Dimension. I usually add draw order. I know it's not part of the AutoCAD Classic, but I find it very useful for my work. And the viewports. You can see that the toolbars are on locked position. So to unlock it, just press this icon. So if it is not now it is unlocked, so you can rearrange your toolbars according to AutoCAD Classic. So this one's supposed to be here, this viewports. If you're happy with it, lock and save your work, save your workspace. How can you do that? You see this arrow little arrow here. I need the save, plot preview or the plot, and the AutoCAD workspace. Go to your AutoCAD Classic or save current as. There is an arrow here. Choose AutoCAD Classic, save. My AutoCAD Classic already exists. Do you want to replace it? Replace. Now this is your AutoCAD Classic. One more thing, don't forget your command line. You can dock it here on the lower part so it will appear to be one full command line. Here is your AutoCAD Classic. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please do me a favor by clicking the like and subscribe button because it helps me a lot. Also hit the bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload the new videos. Again, stay healthy, stay at home, and may God bless us all.